P Poop Party People featuring Beverly. I don't PIKOTARO. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? They said it. Whoever sent this, show to you. You sent this. You said it reminded me of when I take my breaks to go poop. Okay, first of all, listen, I don't poop that much, but
do you wanna pee? Do you wanna poop?
nah, bro. What are we doing here? Why are we doing this? God dang it, man. Off the bat, do you want to pee and poo? What is this? What is this, bro? Literally, already off the bat. Already off the bat.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offense.
Why are we making songs about pooping and peeing in this industry?
Okay, doesn't matter which. Let's just go to the toilet quick.
No, 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 no.
Come on, let's dance. People party, people say goodbye to pee past.
No, 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 no. What? What did she say? Wear big kid pants at last? What the is this for children? If this is for children, I get it, but it's still kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie.
Today's the day, a brand new start. Let's celebrate with all our hearts. Time to go, let's take a chance. Join the fun to the party day. Come on, let's dance. People party, people say goodbye to pee pants where big kid pants at last.
Did they film this at the poop museum in Japan? I recognize it. We recognize it. Is it a must thing to do? Go to a poop museum? I'd go to it.
No more worries, no more cries. Time to shout, reach for the sky. Party time, don't be shy. Come on, friends, give it a try.
Tryste?
Come on, let's dance. People party, people say goodbye to pee pants.
What does that even mean? What does that even mean? What does that even mean? Pee poop party people say goodbye to pee pee pants. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? That don't make no damn sense. Nah, this is not real. Is this a kid's song? Is this a kid's song? See that 3 times fast? Hold up, I got you. Pee poop party people say goodbye to pee pee pants. Pee poop party people say goodbye to pee pee pants. Pee poop party people say goodbye to pee pee pants. Thank you everybody. Thank you. That's it.
Now back to our regularly
That's not what I meant to press. She do got some vocals. She do got some vocals. What? Is he wearing like a wig? Because it's about to come off. I'm looking at the background. It says caca, poop. Is this just a tahe? Tahe? Natatai ako. All right. Hello, Dre. Hi. Welcome to the stream. They made a rave song for you to go poo, poo, pee, pee. I will never, ever play this song ever again in my life. I think. Maybe it will come on in my brain when I poop. Well, thanks guys for showing me that. I will. That was a very important video to show me.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.